If you're a parent, college student, or a young professional seeing this video, within a couple of minutes, I'm going to reveal a magic sentence that will help you keep up with this fast changing world. Look at this image from World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report, which lists down top 10 skills in 2015 and 2020. What difference do you see this? The skills keep shuffling within 5 years, and it eventually change in the upcoming years as well, depending upon the demands of the job. And while I'm recording this video, there could be a new job being invented in some other part of the world. And when your child enter into a career, he or she may have to work in a job that has not been invented yet. So what can we do about this? Can we predict the job? Not really. But we can use this magic sentence to stay relevant, and that is never stop learning. We at Hands On Science Tournament focus on building these life skills through activities which are often considered extracurricular in mainstream schools. We curate activities, we send it to families, and make sure kids and families together practice this. Through our Creative Quarantine Challenge series, we want to make sure every family practice to build these skills through meaningful activities. Activity 1 is prepare your reflection journal. It's been 7 days now where we have been posting challenges on different skills. Now it's time for you to pause and reflect on those activities. Journaling is a very important habit which also has other benefits. To make your work easier, we have some guiding questions in the activity document that you can download by clicking the link in the description. Go through those questions, answer it together as a family, and you can add your creativeness by adding an element of a scrapbook, or you can create a journal by using some trash materials in your home, and then you can take a photo or a video of that and you can send it. Activity 2 is never stop learning. In this activity, you're going to design a learning calendar for your family members. But before doing that, ask these questions to them. What do you like to learn? Why do you want to learn it? If you get a chance, what you would like to teach to other family members? And when is the last time you learned something for the first time? Using these responses, prepare a learning calendar maybe for a week or even till this quarantine period. You can use online resources or materials available in the home to learn these activities. And once done, you can either take a photo or a video of the learning calendar of each of your family members and send it back to us. Activity 3 is find your Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese concept which helps you to find your purpose, and it works on 4 guiding questions: what you love doing, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Each one of the family member can prepare their own Ikigai sheets, and you can take a photo and send it back to us. Ikigai sheet will give you an opportunity to understand yourself better and also interest of other family members. The Ikigai sheet that you're filling now may not be the final one or the most perfect one, but you can have it as a practice to fill the Ikigai sheet maybe once in a month, because it keeps refining based on your experiences and learnings. And this Ikigai sheet could be a powerful tool for your kid to figure out what they love doing and also get better at it. Hope you found today's activities interesting and meaningful. If you'd like to participate in this challenge, send I'm ready to this WhatsApp number, where you'll be getting a challenge ID using which you can send photos, videos. And for every entry, there'll be points awarded, and using that, you can get into the leaderboard and also get some amazing rewards. You can also download the activity document by clicking the link in the description. If you'd like to get regular updates about these challenges, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, you can also be part of our parents only WhatsApp group. There is an invite link in the description. Do share this video to your families and friends. Looking forward to meet you all in the next episode.